A very good evening, viewers. We are live in Breaking Republic TV, and I'm Rakshita Mishra with you. We are getting you all the latest inputs coming in on the Bangladesh unrest right now that's unfolding. And viewers, in the latest, the people from Bangladesh in thousands are now flocking to Indo-Bangladesh border. They're on the side, they're on the Bangladeshi side of the border, and they're indulging in loot. These visuals that we are getting to you right now show how the stones are being taken out. And there is absolute violence that is being unfolded. There you can see the thousands of people who have now gathered along the Indo-Bangladesh border. Right across you can see those people. They are on the Bangladeshi side. They're in Bangladesh, on the Bangladeshi side of the border, the Indo-Bangla border. You can see clear anarchy that's on display in Bangladesh. Radicals are attacking Hindus, Hindu villages, Hindu temples, Hindu communities. There's mayhem. And you can see our border states are right now on alert. You can see the kind of gathering that is being witnessed along the Indo. Let's take a listen into this report filed by my colleague Aniruddha as he shows us how people are gathering, are flocking to the Indo-Bangladesh border.
Right now we are at the Indo-Bangladesh border in Dauki, and here you can see behind me, these are the pictures of loot that is being carried out here at the border after the fallout of the Sheikh Hasina government. This is how people have been looting the natural resources from the Indo-Bangladesh border. This is the Ungot river that flows from Meghalaya in India to Bangladesh, and a tourist hotspot, but now it is full of people from Bangladesh who are looting the stones. Though they are on the other side of the border, that is the Bangladesh side of the border, but this raises serious concern as the presence of Bangladeshi security forces is nil along the border. The border guards Bangladesh abandoned their post last afternoon when mob came up to the post in Tomabil, and thereafter from around 6 in the evening the people started to flock to this river, and since then a never-ending spree has begun, and people are looting the stones in large numbers. These are live pictures from the Indo-Bangladesh border in Dauki in Meghalaya.
All right, viewers, now we are being joined by Salahuddin Shoaib Chaudhary, who's an editor of Blitz Live. He's joining us live from Dhaka on the broadcast. Thanks so much, Mr. Chaudhary, for joining us here at Republic TV. First of all, tell us what is the latest situation like, because there is complete anarchy in the name of protest that we are seeing happening in Bangladesh right now, in Dhaka right now. Even minorities are being targeted, and how there are some really dramatic visuals that have been coming in from across the country. Communities of the Hindu communities, the minorities, they're all being targeted. Tell us what's really happening. Is there any control of the situation as far as the army is concerned?
Thank you very much. I should say it's a total anarchy, out of control. And Hindus, I think they were feeling this kind of the brutalities only during the War of Independence of Bangladesh in 1971. Hindu homes are being attacked, Hindu shops are being attacked, temples are being destroyed, set on fire, and at the same time, these Islamists on move, they are attacking everything wherever they are destroying statues, they are putting fire on targeted properties, and it's a complete lawlessness. I could only compare this situation with the Taliban takeover in Afghanistan.